So we're going to look at some cars. So first, we got this one. I was looking at it earlier. It is. Let me check what car it is. "2025 AMG SL63 SE Performance." That's the car. And we come inside. Yeah. Okay. So we got all that right there. Got the map. We got the hair, everything, blah 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 blah. So we have that. Whatever it is, comment down below. Okay. This start button is up here. Press it. Doesn't work. Got the second person seat right here. Full black leather. And then we got all this. We have the stuff right here. What do you got? Okay. Got stuff right down here. And in here about some space seaports. We have some space. Know if you can see the seaports right there. We have some space. Sorry. We have some space down there. We have that. Okay, I'm gonna take you around to the back seat and we'll squat that. Okay. And